Best pet gloves comparison. Pet grooming gloves have become an essential tool for pet owners looking to simplify grooming and deshedding, while ensuring their furry companions stay comfortable and stress-free. These gloves offer a hands-on approach to grooming that mimics petting, making the process enjoyable for pets and owners alike. In this review, list none. The Max Power Planet Combo offers a comprehensive grooming solution with gloves and a dual-sided dematting brush. The gloves feature soft silicone tips for gentle cleaning and massaging, while the brush includes 9 teeth and 17 teeth sides for tackling tangles and shedding. The adjustable wrist straps ensure a secure fit, and the gloves are machine washable for convenience. In testing, the gloves provided excellent grip and flexibility, making it easy to reach tricky areas like under the legs and tail. The brush effectively removed mats and loose hair without irritating the skin, making it ideal for pets with thick or long coats. However, the combo's higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers. List No. 2. The Peacute Grooming Gloves are designed with 3,000 high-density silicone brush heads and heat resistance up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them versatile for grooming and cleaning. The gloves feature anti-skid bumps for a secure fit and can double as cleaning mitts for household tasks. During use, the silicone bristles effectively removed loose fur and dirt while providing a gentle massage that pets seem to enjoy. The heat resistance adds a unique sterilization feature, but the gloves felt slightly stiff compared to others, which may limit dexterity for detailed grooming tasks. List number. Kamiva's grooming gloves feature soft silicone tips for massaging and deshedding pets of all sizes and coat types. Designed to fit most hand sizes, they are lightweight and easy to use, making them a versatile tool for grooming and bathing. These gloves excelled in promoting blood circulation and stress relief during grooming, leaving pets calm and comfortable. However, the single-pack design limits convenience for users who prefer gloves for both hands, and the price point is slightly higher than expected for a single glove. List 4. Yintoper's grooming gloves combine a cleaning brush and glove design with 3,000 soft brush heads for efficient fur removal and skin cleaning. The gloves are heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and feature extended sleeve for added protection. The gloves performed well in deshedding and massaging, particularly for pets with sensitive skin. The extended sleeves provided extra protection against scratches. But the gloves were slightly oversized for smaller hands, which reduced precision during grooming. Their versatility for cleaning tasks adds value for multi-purpose users. List 5. Adnusi's budget-friendly grooming gloves feature 3,000 soft silicone bristles and non-slip internal particles for a secure fit. With a heat resistance of up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, these gloves are suitable for pet grooming and household cleaning tasks. Despite their low price, these gloves offer decent grooming performance, effectively removing loose fur and massaging pets. However, the lower heat resistance compared to competitors and thinner silicone material raised concerns about long-term durability. These gloves are best suited for occasional grooming tasks,